Hi there, coming to y'all today to kind of show brows. I am going to use our new pH lip balm real quick. So you'll get to see my lips change over a little bit of time because it changes to the pH of your body. So how fun is that? Okay, so brows. I'm going to start off with our Precision Liner. So I use dark blonde. Even when my hair was red, there's definitely some red undertones in this, so it pulled out that red, which was amazing, because then people thought I was a natural redhead, which I was like, sweet, you know, you don't want to like kind of look a little different. But I've already, so with the Precision Liner, I am going to, I'm going to have my mirror here, just line what's already there. So I'm just following the line that my brows already have. If you're wanting to change, like if you want more of an arch, this is how you're going to do that, and you're going to do that from the up angle. And then I'm going to, like from that point, I'm just coming down and following. So if we can see, like there's not as much hair up there, but it's that line that's done that. And I'm just gently kind of making that precision line underneath. And just realize if you don't get it exact right now, it's okay, because we're going to clean that up at the very end. Now, the brow tint, my favorite thing. And if I am in a hurry, this is going to be all that I use, just so I have a little bit of brow. I have a fresh new tube, so I'm having to scrape off some of that excess because it's just a little too much without scraping it off. You'll be like, ooh, I got lots of brows. This has, so all of these are paraben free, just so you know, if you're like allergic to parabens or have some issues with that. But then realize that this has some microfibers in there, so it's not, you can see the little tiny brush. It's not meant for your eyelashes, it's meant for your brow. So it's meant to actually just really kind of fill it. And I'm just going to kind of fill in between the lines. These are like sweat proof and smudge proof. I went and did hot yoga while doing this and rubbed my face. And it's one of those things, like when you have fresh brows without any of the rest of your makeup on, you can be like, woo! Okay, so and I will say this, I just do this on a majority basis. So I don't go out and crazy. Let me make sure I have my right concealer. Now on some days that I'm really wanting to up it, I am going to, wish I could have just done this, but I didn't. Okay, so I put some concealer, put some of my concealer on the back of my hand. You could just use this. I don't know why I didn't. I just didn't. Sorry about that. So this is our concealer brush or cream brush. And so if you get things like out of order, you can just follow along. And it just cleans it up. Y'all can see like how easy that cleaned it up. And then a lot of people have veins on their eyes. I just blend everything out. I don't have foundation on yet. I do have my foundation primer, so I'm ready to go with that area. But I'm just gonna blend all of this out. I always really try to blend it in here because I'm starting to get a little bit of those lines, so I don't want too much concealer there because I don't want it to sit heavy in those lines and accentuate that. Again, I do not do this step on an everyday basis. Don't get me wrong, I like when I do it and I do feel like my eyes look a little bit cleaner, but there's just times I'm like, I don't have time for that. And it's just kind of not going to be what I really want to do with my time. I'm the kind of person, I like makeup and I like having it on. I hate actually doing it. But I feel so much better when I can sit there and just play around and have my lashes on. And by that I mean mascara. Every once in a while I do some fake lashes. But it's just not, I don't want to spend a lot of my time doing that. So I've tried to figure out like how can I do this fast and easy and get things going in that way. So there you go, clean brows.